Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to pair the BenQ TWY31 button, how to use it with a Type-C port of laptop and explore its powerful split screen and BYOM features. Let's begin with the pairing process. First, make sure your BenQ display is powered on and InstaShare button should be enabled from the boot settings. After this, we have to assure InstaShare button application should be downloaded from BenQ store. Now, let's start the pairing process. Insert the TWY31 button into the Type-C port of the display and follow the instructions coming on the screen. As soon as the button turns to the stable blue, the pairing is successfully completed. This button is now ready for casting. You can pair up to 32 buttons with the single host device app, making it ideal for classroom and training sessions. Using the TWY31 with the Type-C laptop is even simpler. Connect the TWY31 button to your laptop's Type-C port. If your laptop supports display output via Type-C, it will automatically detect the connection. Now, press the button once and your screen will instantly mirror on the BenQ display. No drivers, no HDMI cables, just a plug and present. The TWY31 also supports split screen presentations. Up to 4 presenters can share their screen simultaneously on one display. This makes collaboration effortless. Compare data, discuss ideas, brainstorm strategies, or conduct interactive learning sessions seamlessly. One of the most powerful features of TWY31 is BYOM, that is, bring your own meeting. With the InstaShare button, your laptop can wirelessly access the room's camera, microphone and speakers connected to the BenQ board. This means you can run Zoom, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet directly from your laptop while using the display's camera, microphone and speaker system. No multiple cable connections, no complicated setups. Just plug in the button, press and start your meeting. Simple, smart, professional way of casting.